Greetings everybody, Stephen Thomas here with the Midwest Railway Preservation Society, here to bring you the latest on what we've been able to accomplish on the Grand Trunk Western Light Mikado number 4070. It's been a productive couple of months here in Cleveland as our all-volunteer crew has been kept busy with several key tasks on the 4070. First, we've recently moved the locomotive's rebuilt cab over to stall 6 of the roundhouse, where both it and the tender frame will be sandblasted. The cab, once it is sandblasted, will then be primed and painted, and then work will begin on reassembling the wood structure on the interior. The tender frame, meanwhile, will be closely inspected for cracks or other issues and will receive any repairs necessary to prepare it for service. Work also progresses at a steady pace on removing the studs for the cylinder heads from the cylinders. After so many years of strain and moisture collection while keeping the cylinder heads fastened on, many of these studs have corroded beyond reuse and will need to be replaced. The tedious task of removing the studs involves tack welding nuts on the studs first, and then carefully heating the cylinder casting at each stud point. Heating the casting causes it to expand very slightly, and the stud will start to give way from the cylinder as a result. Finally, an impact wrench was used to break the stubborn studs loose. To date, our volunteers have removed all of the studs on both cylinders, with only a few remaining broken studs still in need of attention. We've also been busy recently retracing the grid work across the firebox for the upcoming Ultrasound Survey. As part of this survey, using a specialized device, we take thousands of readings across the entire firebox to measure the thickness of the metal down to thousandths of an inch. Then, after careful analysis of our data, we identify thin areas and spots of corrosion and make any necessary repairs, ensuring the firebox gets the attention it needs to be in tip-top shape again. Coming soon, with help from a steam restoration contractor, we're planning to commence the survey in the upcoming weeks. Simultaneously, this contractor will help us measure the frame to determine its alignment or trim, allowing us to dive into the work on the frame crack. Over in the warehouse building, our volunteers have been kept busy constructing additional storage racks for locomotive parts. The most recently constructed racks are designed for lighter loads rather than the larger pallet racks which populate most of the building. For years, removed parts from the 4070 have been scattered all over the property, and although this effort is a work in progress for now, all of the locomotive's parts will finally be consolidated into one location once the storage space is complete. In other news, we're excited to say that our power car, Cleveland Terminal and Valley number 4412, will join the historic Nickel Plate Road steam locomotive number 765 on the Indiana Rail Experience, an upcoming series of events and excursions on the Indiana Northeastern Railroad. This exciting new extended lease with our friends at Fort Wayne Railroad Historical Society will not only keep the lights on for their excursions, but will also bolster our own events and operations through the revenue generated by the lease. We're proud to be partnering with the 765 crew to power these excursions and wish the folks at Fort Wayne the best of luck with trips this summer and beyond. Tickets for the Indiana Rail Experience are on sale now, and you can find out more and book your seats by visiting indianarailexperience.org. And that's what we've been able to accomplish recently on the Grand Trunk Western number 4070. Thank you to all our volunteers, professional contractors, and of course all of you out there who donate. If you'd like to learn more about the 4070 or to donate towards our cause, follow us on our website, www.midwestrailway.org, on our Facebook page, or of course right here on YouTube. See you next time.